Warm water mixed with honey and lemon is a popular home remedy for people with sore throats. The mixture can provide soothing benefits for a sore throat during the cold season. The vitamin C in lemons also can help in the effort. But you need to be careful for those of you who have stomach disorders, because the sour taste in lemons can make your stomach feel uncomfortable. Lemon water fights acne and other blemishes by giving your kidney and liver a boost. It allows the liver to purify your blood more efficiently. Additionally, the antioxidants in lemons like vitamin C fight the development of acne. Drinking hot lemon water in the morning is known to do wonders in terms of eliminating any toxins present in your system. Acid helps break down food. That's why there's so much of it in our stomachs. The acid in lemons may be especially helpful in supplementing stomach acid levels, which tend to decline as we age. However, make sure you consult your doctor before consuming lemon juice if you have problems with your digestion. The vitamin C and antioxidants present in lemon juice improve our digestive health, which in turn aids in weight management. Due to its diuretic properties, lemon juice also serves as a detoxifying agent. Lemon water relieves toothaches and gingivitis. The citric acid can erode tooth enamel. Either hold off on brushing your teeth after drinking lemon water or brush your teeth before drinking it. This can be especially useful in the morning when morning breath might persist even after you brush your teeth. Lemon water works to keep your mouth smelling great thanks to its antimicrobial properties. Lemons pack a great punch of vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system. Yes, oranges and other fruits and vegetables also contain vitamin C, but they often have double the calories and much more sugar. In addition to vitamin C, lemons contain flavonoids, and evidence suggests these may decrease oxidative stress. In other words, that slice of lemon contains antioxidants to help your body combat free radicals. The citric acid in lemons may help prevent kidney stones. Citrate, a component of citric acid, paradoxically makes urine less acidic and may even break up small stones. Lemon water is generally safe to drink, but there are a few potential side effects to be aware of. Lemon contains citric acid, which may erode tooth enamel over the long term. To limit the risk, drink lemon water through a straw, and rinse your mouth with plain water afterward. Additionally, citrus fruits are known to increase gastric acid production, and they may cause heartburn in some people. Thank you for watching, hopefully useful.